Welcome to another Sewing for a Living tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to fix a hole in pants. Here is a pair of shorts I'm about to fix. They are torn right next to the center back seam. This happens often on woven pants, not only shorts, so I thought it might be nice to share how I fix it. First, I make sure that the rip is not a result of the pants being too tight. This is important because to fix the rip we need to sew a bit in on a strong fabric, and if the pants are too tight, they would most certainly rip again. In our case, the fabric got worn off and there is some working space, so I'm going to fix them. What I need to do first is break enough of the top stitching so I can work on the whole back center seam. I leave a couple of inches at both ends though, because I don't want to mess with the other joining seams between the legs and on the waistband. I want to work on a bigger part of the back center seam area so that I keep a natural shape of the curve when I take the fabric in. I'm going to remove some of the stitches on the inside as well. I usually don't do that, but here is a bit of the fabric left in the serger seam. I don't want it to stand in the way. Next, I want to make the joining seam a bit in so that I sew on a strong fabric. I'm going to put pins where I want my new center back seam to be. I'm going to turn the shorts inside out so that I see how it looks. I see this uneven area here, so I'm going to move the pin. Once I'm happy with the new shape, I'm going to make the seam. Now is a good time to try the pants on and see if they fit properly, especially if you have to take in more to get to the strong fabric. Next, make the joining seam. When you make sure that everything fits, restore the top stitch to strengthen the new center back seam. Here, the top stitch is just one straight seam. On other pants there might be a double top stitch or no top stitching at all. I think I got a pretty good result here, although I still have to iron. I hope you liked this tutorial. If so, give it a like and subscribe. Tell me what you think and thank you for watching.